Hi friends, we're going to try something new in our Google Meet. On your iPad, you need to go and find the self-service icon on your Horry County Schools iPad. To kind of search for yours, you're going to click on that. It's called to scroll until you find the app called Nearpod. And once you find the app called Nearpod, you're going to install it on your iPad. I want to show you how you can toggle between your Google Meet and Nearpod. You'll see on my iPad at the top corner, there's a little green camera that's showing that my Google Meet is open. If I click on the green camera, it's going to bring me back into my Google Meet.